Today, 2025 is your opportunity to achieve success by shifting your mindset and embracing new ways of thinking. Success isn't just about hard work. It's about programming your mind to align with your goals. Let's explore how you can achieve this transformation and unlock your full potential for the year ahead. Section 1. The Foundation of Mindset Transformation. 2025 offers a blank slate, a chance to redefine what success means to you and how you'll achieve it. Your mindset is the key to everything. How you view challenges, how you respond to setbacks, and how consistently you pursue your goals. The process of reprogramming your mind begins with one crucial understanding. Your thoughts dictate your reality. To create a life of success, fulfillment, and growth, you must first change how you think. Start by reflecting on where you are right now. What thoughts occupy your mind daily? Are they empowering or limiting? If you find yourself stuck in a cycle of doubt, fear, or procrastination, it's time to break free. This is the year to take control of your inner dialogue, redirect your focus, and embrace a mindset that serves your highest aspirations. Your beliefs form the foundation of your mindset. If you've held on to limiting beliefs, such as thinking you're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough, it's time to challenge and replace them. Beliefs are not truths. They're thoughts you've accepted as real. By questioning these thoughts, you open the door to a new way of thinking. Start with affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that reinforce positive beliefs about yourself and your potential. For example, replace "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable of achieving great things." Write down these affirmations and repeat them daily. Over time, this practice rewires your subconscious mind, aligning it with the reality you want to create. Visualization is another powerful tool. Take a few minutes each day to picture yourself achieving your goals. Imagine the details, the emotions, and the sense of accomplishment. Visualization primes your mind for success by creating a mental blueprint of the future you desire. It's not just wishful thinking. It's a scientifically backed technique that enhances focus and motivation. Section 2. Turning beliefs into action. To reprogram your mind, action is essential. Your thoughts and beliefs set the stage, but it's your actions that bring them to life. In 2025, commit to taking consistent, intentional steps toward your goals. Start small and build momentum. Each action, no matter how minor, reinforces your new mindset and propels you closer to success. Set clear, achievable goals for the year. Be specific about what you want and why it matters. Break these goals into manageable tasks and tackle them one step at a time. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. It's these incremental victories that keep you motivated and focused. Consistency is key. Create daily routines that align with your aspirations. Whether it's dedicating time to learning a new skill, exercising, or reflecting on your progress, these habits shape your mindset and reinforce your commitment to success. The more consistent you are, the more natural these actions become, embedding them into your identity. Your environment and the people around you play a significant role in shaping your mindset. To reprogram your mind for success, surround yourself with positivity. Seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who inspire and uplift you. Distance yourself from negativity, whether it's toxic relationships or unproductive habits. Curate a space that fosters growth and focus. Declutter your surroundings and fill them with reminders of your goals, vision boards, motivational quotes, or symbols of your aspirations. A positive environment reinforces your new mindset and keeps you aligned with your purpose. Gratitude is a cornerstone of positivity. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, rewiring your brain to notice the positive aspects of your life. This practice not only enhances your mindset, but also attracts more opportunities and connections that align with your goals. Section 3. Embracing growth and adaptability. Adaptability is your greatest strength in a rapidly changing world. A growth mindset embraces challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Instead of fearing failure, view it as valuable feedback. Each setback teaches you something new, bringing you closer to your goals. Stay curious and open to new experiences. Success in 2025 requires a willingness to adapt and evolve. Keep learning, exploring, and pushing beyond your comfort zone. Read books, attend workshops, or connect with others who challenge your perspectives. Continuous growth keeps your mind sharp and ready for new opportunities. Reprogramming your mind for success in 2025 is about embracing a mindset that supports your goals, actions that align with your aspirations, and an environment that nurtures positivity and growth. By shifting your beliefs, taking consistent action, and surrounding yourself with inspiration, you set the stage for a transformative year. The journey won't always be easy, but it will be worth it. Every small change you make builds momentum, creating a powerful foundation for lasting success. Trust in your ability to grow, adapt, and achieve. The possibilities for 2025 are limitless. Seize them with confidence and determination. Success starts within. Begin today.